Alrighty, fan collectors, what we see here today is a 52-inch Fasco Gulfstream in a baby blue and pink and white color scheme, I guess. And I believe it's by Hazley. Here's the motor, vented motor. Obviously it's been painted. There's what was the tags on a rather stubby down rod in white canopy, ball and socket, of course. Got white blade arms, pink blades, and a baby blue housing. And I will give them credit for painting it, because they did take it apart, it looks like, and they put a screen back in there to mimic the mesh that used to sit right down in there. But yeah. Anyway, here's low. I got a backstory behind this fan. 2 years ago, in like spring, I got a little Westinghouse spinner thingy that I figured would be good for these guys. And these guys were relatives of mine too, or they are still. And I offered them to replace it, and they said, why not? So I replaced it and with a much smaller fan. And this fan used to be in a sunroom, and it was in a low ceiling sunroom. Sunroom with a low ceiling, and the blades, or it was too big for the room. And oh yeah, and also the guy apparently went to some job site and dug this thing out of a dumpster, and of course didn't come like this. It came he said it came white when he got it, but he painted it the colors you see on camera here, and he took it home and he installed it in a sunroom, and he's had it ever since. I want to say it's been there since the 90s, but or early 2000s, who knows. But yeah, and he painted it, those colors in it. It's been there ever since I replaced it 2 years ago. And it was in a low ceiling, low clearance room, sorta. So this thing kind of hung low. Not really, not like my ceiling I've got. It was a little bit higher than mine, and this thing was so close to a door that the door would swing right into the blades when it was on or whatever. And just stop it here quickly, as we're gonna actually go up to medium speed. Should be somewhere. Yep, right there. The blue from the door that swung into it. I think it's on a few blades. Yep, there you go. But anyway, back to the fan. Now here's medium. So yeah, it's kind of got a cool little backstory. I like this fan, even though it might be just some generic looking builder fan. I really like it. I think that's all I have to say about this thing, really. So yeah, now it's on medium. It's a good medium speed, I think. Blows a pretty good amount of air too. Not bad. Alrighty, here's high speed. Does wobble just the tiniest bit, but I'm really surprised it doesn't wobble any more than it does. And I'm honestly surprised when I got it that the blade arms weren't bent in various directions. Getting a good breeze right here from it. I am tired tonight. But yeah. I honestly think it's pretty cool what they did to this, even though it's not the colors I would choose for a fan. Spin down. The bearings in this fan might be a little stiff because I am noticing it did slow down rather quick. But who knows? Just a Hazley. Alright, so it has appeared to stop. I will end the video now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.